the eminent captain of Krobia Santi Kotoko, Justice Blay, or returning now March, I mean, can I say, pre-season day 10, no? And Justice Blay are unveiling a new hairstyle ahead of the season 2024-2025. The season, my friend, the Blay season turnover for Krobia Santi Kotoko. And then I'm in senior citizens meeting come on our office no moka say Kotoko team o ma hyehyɛ ne next season de ye nim team kra e betimi abiti this commercial Santi Kotoko. In fact, the Kotoko team is the team to beat because of squad no football ye bibia betimi si me nka say Kotoko be undefeated, but in the course of the season Kotoko be lose 1 or 2 3 games, but Kotoko squad no anu hyehyɛ squad bia ye hu say the other 17 Premier League clubs no no ye team bia ne de ne so powerful to the Kotoko level ya ye hu so omo hyehyɛ. Yes, training no eguso ekoso to say no players no more of gym works in the preparation towards game Kotoko ne media ma ebebo wo TNA Park wo Takwa no na preparations eguso ekoso. As you can see on the screen, Justice Blay and we new haircuts we know mabawa for no and I say nkwankwane from blonde hairstyle or blonde nitino and bibia jeto was say wako die niti say they na Kotoko captain na ye de ebe mano. In other news, one say na no me can say Kotoko players about 10 players on Fatal said we Kotoko third keeper no you promoting it for the youth side no you turn no together with Peter Midwakwa and you talk free Park Academy and you then ma team be wo ejoso yeah lower division tie and you then ma omo as say no yes I call it back into the main senior team or a very good goalkeeper. Now make us say Kotoko is being frustrated by the organizers of Germany trip no Kotoko players 10 omo ko no about 80% ends me I like also a bookie appointment. Moment me and share the consulate and the embassy guys are more German embassy were crying. And see, Kotoko Krabu yef say German trip no from a deep truth source. I mean, say can one here Kotoko be trouble because American you know October ye ko Germany akwa here who say ye players most mo de ye ko yemra na ye visa say mum process my players are betina wa mo entima anyi bibia. Nti ama Kotoko aye a bit frustrated enye nwanwa se news beba say German trip no kra no so o metwabo eno no ye nkoma ametete no won chenchen, but bibia ye official ni update bia ba Super 24 TV dey me say e Kotoko hope and assembly see ya e betwa